Did you know that sound can travel through time? In the Swiss Alps, a peculiar phenomenon occurs where echoes can be heard seconds, even minutes, after the original sound. This happens because sound waves bounce off the mountains, creating a delayed auditory experience. Imagine shouting, "Hello," and hearing it back after you've forgotten you even said it. This unique echo effect is not only a marvel of nature, but also a reminder of how sound can linger in unexpected ways. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories like this.